Oh, I decided to swing by Raven Camp and have a look. In fact, funny, as soon as I said out loud Raven Camp, as I was turning the camera on, the ravens started crowing. So there might be a nest here, a nest above me. It looks completely untouched since my last visit here. Don't see anything different. Not even the wood I left is still here. Fire pit's still here. I'll show you the wood I was talking about. So when I was packing up to leave, I just threw my wood underneath this tree right there. And I got this wood right here, which I left. Piece right here. I hear you, buddy. In my log reflector in my fire pit. And then I had my military tent sitting right over there, which I'm still a little bummed out about. I didn't get a chance to sleep in, but you know, it is what it is. I'm glad that no one else has been out here, because I don't see any trash either. That's always my favorite, when I don't see garbage. Let's make our way over the lean-to and check it out. See what's different about the lean-to. I'm gonna guess nothing, but well, she's sure seen better days, that's for sure. The wall I put back up fell over, or was knocked over. Well, I don't recall seeing that trash last time I was here. That might be new. Man, look at the state of this thing. It would have been nice to fix it up and use it, but you know, with people coming out to it and trashing it. Someone cleaned off the whole back. Looks like a tree fell across the back of it too. I'll go around the side here in a moment. Nothing really looks untouched. Of course, I took my note away, but they weren't answering it anyway. Or nobody answered it anyway. And there's the tree. Probably had a big windstorm. So yeah, all the materials are just stripped off the back. I don't know what they were thinking, but you know, whatever, I guess. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like someone was trying to make a shelter right there underneath the bank. It wasn't placed there by nature. Well, let's go around and see what's on the back side. All right, so now I'm on the other side. And right there looks to be well, behind the leaves, but there's a looks like an old fire pit. I don't think it was used this summer though. It's got some age on it. They might have just laid right here, and could have been just someone camping, so they're out here just having fun. But you know, I'm not gonna tear it down or anything. That's cool. Hope they had fun. That's the whole point of being out here sometimes. Oh, come on, tripod. Oh, the water sure is low. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did a video, and that log there, I actually leaned over and dipped my canteen in the water, and then it was a much higher. It's gone down significantly. Well, you know, it's been summer, so. But yeah. And I'm sure I could walk around the rocks and get to the other camp I was just at, where my truck is parked. Maybe I can get around all the way over there, but I can just go back to the road. It's not that big a deal. Looks like no one's used the fire pit since I last used it. In fact, some of my wood is still there that I never burned. I made, what did I make here? I think I made mac and cheese. I never did pick up the aluminum. I'll try to remember to do that on my way out. Or you know, well, we'll see.